Got it here, pocket driver stash tool by CRKT, EDC tools, everyday carry. A lot of times people ask me every video what's EDC stands for. Everyday carry. Like you see, this is a keychain little tool for any situation you need to take something apart. So there's your drill bits, you can put other things in here, and then you pull on that and a whole clip will come out. Wow, that's tight. That's cool. And then you're going to put this bit driver to here, and you can take apart whatever. You see there's a flat head, Phillips head, and couple of star bits over here. Beautiful. And then whenever you're going to open it and put this back through, boom, and then this will go back on. Very tight. I love it. Probably will loosen up a little bit, but now that I know how to pull it, it's pretty easy to take it off and on. That's a cool little tool. I love it. Here's another EDC item gadget that most people have. That's a belt. In a sense, that is an everyday carry tool, because right here you have a knife sharpener. You see that? That's a stone on the other side of the buckle. And this right here, a hook, like a fishing hook sharpener. I don't know if you ever have to sharpen up the hook, never heard about that. But this end you can actually sharpen up your knife. Boom, you see it? Kind of small, but there you go. Shape it, nose it, stop it. So yeah, pretty cool, right? I guess you go this way. You know what, also there's another sharpener right here of some sort. That's cool. But the belt buckle a bit too simple. I love that there's a knife sharpening tool in here, but how do you put it to? I guess you go under it and kind of hold it to in here. Not the most comfortable belt to put to belt buckle. Interesting though. Olight Mini, tiny magnetic and instant light. Let's see what they mean about that. This is a keychain flashlight. So let's pull it out. Wow, that is tiny. It is a keychain flashlight. Let's see. Whoa, magnetic, and looks like it comes with the batteries. Nothing comes with batteries usually. So do we need to replace the batteries? So this is non-rechargeable, but looks like easy to replace the batteries, and it already comes with 2 sets of batteries, which is nice. So put it to, boom. The light is on instantly. Where is on and off button? It doesn't have one. What you do is put it into the magnet and it's automatically shuts off. That's what they mean by instant light. You see, you pull it out, you have a little flashlight, put it back in. There's no way to activate it while it's inside the house, and you'll have to take it out, and you have a miniature tiny flashlight. This is the best magnetic tiny keychain flashlight I've seen. So unique. How many lumens it has? 10 lumens, 30 minutes on those batteries, and 10 meters light. So you're not going to be using it all day. Just a quick situations when you need like couple minutes light to find a keyhole, or maybe get to the door and get out from the dark area. That's it. Wouldn't be lasting you all day, only 30 minutes on these 3 batteries, but still very cool little flashlight. Got it here, 70 feet quick release, 110 pounds rope. You know, it doesn't look like a paracord. I can't believe that tiny rope can hold up to 110 pounds. They test them with this special machine, very expensive machine, so they wouldn't lie about it. I'm sure it actually can withhold over 1100 pounds of stain. Look at it. It's a quick release and easy to cut. The only thing I do not like about this casing, you cannot attach it to your like belt buckle or anything. You will have to put it into like your backpack. So there's nowhere to bring it with you like attached to your belt or anything. So yeah, but very cool rope, very skinny, very versatile, very easy to work with, make knots, loops, whatever. Look at that. And then pretty like soft. Love it. And then it stays all together like that. If you need grab a little bit more, boom, pull it out. So I have showed you before like a longer version. This one a mini, 70 feet. And if you need to replace it, just take this apart, drop a new roll. It's already pretty tight, so whenever you buy a new roll, it's going to be ready to use. Just put it through the hole. Very interesting gadget for camping and stuff like that. I like it. Here's another pen I found on Amazon. Let's see what's about. This one made out of brass, really heavy. So yeah, look at that bolt action. You pull this way, kind of locks it in, I guess. And then you pull it this way, the whole thing comes out. Look at that, the whole pen comes out, and there's hull over here. That is nice. And I'm not sure what that's for. Kinda so, lock it in so it doesn't come out, the sharp end stays in. That's cool. Boom, kinda like a safety. One of a kind brass pen. What's in here? Oh wow, window breaker. That is unique. It is very heavy, so yeah, definitely nicely a tool for everyday carry. Here's another pen screwdriver. This is definitely one of a kind. First of all, you pull this out and this is magnetic. It pulls on it pretty good. And then you have right here a whole bunch of different screwdrivers. Check this one out. So definitely unique. This is on a smaller size. Let's grab one of this. You got right here Phillips head and flathead. So put it through. And then whenever you grab it, you see how you push on that, and that's spinnable. Not super to where it's not really fidgety. I wish it was. You put it on something, and then whenever it spins, you see I can just rest it on my hand and spin the whole thing to screw and unscrew. So that's really comfortable. And once you're done with it, just grab it, put it away. Super easy. It's magnetic, holds in there super easy. Boom. Love it. So yeah, holds super tight. Look at that pull. Wow. Then I got right here post-it notes. This is a super sticky. Wow, I never heard about that. Let's see. How often it happens when your sticky notes don't stick. So and obviously you can just bring the whole pack with you or half it and bring it with you a little bit. But yeah, let's try out one, see how well it does. Okay, feels to be sticky. Stick it on. Wow, that actually holds on super nice. Look at that. Yeah, you really have to pull it to unstick it. And it sticks so well. Look, it's almost wanna rip off on me. That's nice. Kinda loses its stickiness now. But look, definitely is super sticky. Okay, now it's slowing down. That is cool. Another one. So yeah, definitely everyday carry because you can bring with you a little bit. Again, stick it on a box, paper box. Yeah, sticks on it really nice. I'll have to really pull to take it off. Let's get a fresh one. Yeah, you really have to pull. But on a nice kind of surface, look at that. Really have to pull to take it off. So yeah, post-it notes, super sticky. I had no idea they even make anything like that. Very cool.